Hey everyone, it's Alyssa here at DGY, and today I'm going to be going over how to use the QR code on your insert for Yarn of the Month to get the coupon code to get your free pattern. Alrighty, so when you see your insert for Yarn of the Month, you can either use the QR code or just type in the URL into the search bar. And that will bring you to this page. And this page has this beautiful chart right on here, which I love. And you'll notice the chart has all of the months of the past, all of the codes, the coupon codes that go with those months, and links to the collections that the coupon codes are going to work for. So the important thing to note is even if you scan the QR code on your phone, you can type in the code onto your computer. So I know some people were saying that they don't like to read the pattern on your phone. It doesn't matter. You can totally access on your computer as well, or print if you need to. Okay. And another thing to note is that these codes do not expire. So if there is some that you missed out on, no worries. Just go right back and you can get them anytime. Let's jump in. So we'll just use, since I've got it here, we'll use October as a little bit of an example. So you'll see here we have month October, discount code, and you'll see it here, October pattern, all caps, no spaces. The fun thing about this chart is you can just click and it'll copy it to your keyboard. So copy any way you want, you can just remember it and type it in. However you want to do it, works fine. So because October was a darn good twist, sport weight silk yarn, this coupon code will only work for a pattern that is a sport weight pattern. You can see we've got all our sport weight patterns linked right here, handy dandy. Here we go. And then we can scroll down and say, oh my gosh, what to choose. I think I'm going to choose this one just for fun. Add to cart. Great. And then we can click, we'll get this out of the way. We can click checkout, just like you usually would. Check out one more time, and that will bring you to the little bar where you can put in the coupon code. Now you're definitely going to need to be logged in. Perfect. Oh, look, I already applied it to myself. Perfect. Yeah, but anyway, you're just going to want to paste it into that bar or type it into that bar, however you want to do it. Click apply, and it should bring your total down to 0. But you definitely want to be logged into the account that your subscription is on, just so the coupon code in the back end of Shopify says, this should work for this person. Technology, you know? Love it. It's a lot of fun. So that's it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I hope this answered all your questions, and if you do have any more questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to reach out by email to info@darngoodyarn.com. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.